Here we are. We're at my farm in Olowalu, and I want to point out what's going on over my shoulder over here. We're going to talk about this temporary site that they're recommending be a permanent site, and we need to get this into community discussions because everyone's driving right by it, but I don't know if they realize what's happening. And you can see the road behind me there, and we're going to show you a bunch of video and what's actually happening here. So if you feel like it's not right and you understand the ramifications of this, then you need to let it be known, because the county does not seem to know this, and they seem to think that the community supports this being put here. And so we're going to try to go through this, and this is a bit of community information that we're trying to put out to you right now. I say this with all humility. I don't mean to speak for anyone else. I'm simply putting it out there because I believe there needs to be a large discussion which involves our entire community, and especially Kanaka Maoli and all of the kupuna, because we need to hear what our community actually wants to happen. This could have repercussions far beyond what people think. And a few hundred yards from our most precious resource, the ocean. And these are the type of toxins that find themselves into the food chain and are what are destroying our ocean. So why are we going to take a chance with putting it right next to it on a cinder pit that's some of the most permeable stuff we know about? And right where I'm standing right here, actually closer to where the red flags are there's an underground stream that runs through here. There's another underground stream that runs right through the other side of it. This is all mapped out in fact. So we need to make these decisions based on these facts and not some of the stuff we're being told.